Hi, this is Thunder E from Booredatwork.com, and today we're going to do a nice quick video to show you how to factory reset a Windows 7 PC. Now, you're probably one of the millions of people who still has a Windows 7 PC. Yes, not everyone has adopted Windows 8, and you love Windows 7, and you say you want to get rid of it now and say you want to get a Windows 8 PC. But you love this computer, you want to give it to someone special, say a little brother, cousin, or a friend, and you're wondering how to actually just clear this out, wipe it without like reinstalling Windows and all that fun jazz. Actually not really fun. So we're doing this off-screen video to show you how to do a factory reset, and we're going to go through the whole process plus the reset itself. So the first thing you want to go to is you want to go to your start icon there, click that, and scroll all the way to control panel. Click on control panel, go to system and security on the very top. Click on that. Let's see if we can zoom in a little closer here. Now in system and security, you want to scroll all the way down to the third to the bottom icon, or actually fourth to the bottom, which would be backup and restore, which is in between power options and Windows Anytime Upgrade. If you are not on the highest version of Windows, click on that. Now it says backup and restore. You see backup and restore here. It says Windows backup. It says restore could not find a backup for this computer because we never created one. So it says select another backup, or you can go into recover system settings. So we can click on that. Again, there are no options to do a factory reset. You have system restore, open system restore options, but go into advanced recovery methods. You click on that. That gives you two options: use a system image, and return your computer to factory conditions, which is what we want. So return computer to factory conditions. We click on that. That's just started now. Do you want to back up files? We suggest you back up all your files. You can use many mediums to back up. You can back up your photos and videos on a portable hard drive, or you can also use things like SkyDrive. You can use Dropbox, or you can use Google Drive if you want to. There's a great article from BW1. You can definitely check that out. We'll have a link for you with this video on how to back up your system, and it's a very clean article that shows you all the things you need to do. So just plug that in for BW1 there. In our case, we don't want to back up anything, so we are going to skip. So you have chosen not to back up, that yada yada, restart computer recovery, yes, and we will restart. And just going to zoom out a little bit here. Just waiting for this to restart. Just going through the process. Hey guys, and then it should restart. We might do some speed throughs to some of the process here, so just letting you guys know. But we will have the full video, and it probably just might be just a speed run of a certain section while it's backing up. So enjoy. All right, so we're here, system recovery options, keyboard input. We hit next. Please wait. Now into the Acer recovery management mode, restore print systems to factory settings, restore and retain data. So you have options. You can still retain data and do that, but we really want to do a clean wipe. So we select the first option. This action will erase data on C, or the options will return computer factory settings, yada yada yada. We could go back, next, or cancel. So we're going to go next. Shows you our hard drive size, the computer, Acer, and we have 285 gigabytes of hard drive space. Hit next again. This action will erase existing data on the partition. Are we happy with this? Yes, we are. So now this is doing its job in wiping and setting Windows into that clean wipe format. So this might take a while. As you can see, we've selected restore point. Checking passwords is going to do that. It's going to give us a notice, restore destination, and restore process. Right now, I believe we are on restore process because these have been checked off. So we'll just let that go and watch what happens. You can see now it's starting up Windows, and in total, from the time we started this video till this point, it took about 24 minutes. And this depends on the system or what you're running right now. System again is an Acer Spire 1722. It's a netbook, and that took only 24 minutes to set up Windows. So we're in the setup process, and basically we're going to set this up for someone else. We will, do the whole initial Windows setup, put in the name of computer and all that fun jazz that we can do, that you do when you set up your PC the first time. We ran through most of it because, of course, it was just doing the boot up, but we just wanted to show you what it looked like. So it was a speed run through all that stuff. Now Windows is starting up services, and we're just going to let this run and see. So you see, it's a very simple process. To restore your PC to factory settings. Granted, in Windows 7, the option is not readily available at a click of a button or through at least a second click of an option. You do have to go in deep into the system a little bit. Of course, you have to go to the control panel, backup restore, go into the advanced settings to actually get to these options. Now, the menu screen you saw with Acer, of course, will differ with different PC. If you have a Sony PC, if you have a Dell, if you have a HP, if you have something from Asus, any of the different companies, it will look different, but the process will still be the same for you to do that. So the setup is starting up, and we will continue to set this PC up for whoever we want to give it to. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, any comments, let us know. Right now it's at 20%. Don't forget to subscribe to all our pages on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. It's all Booredatwork, simply with 2 O's. Also follow us on Google+. We have a Pinterest place. The links are with this video, so you can definitely just go ahead and click on them. Let's see if we can get there at 100%. Yes, we have. It's applying system settings. We'll see. Just want to get to that first prompt where it says, this is Windows, yada yada yada, all that fun stuff per se. But this might take a little bit of time. If it doesn't, well, you know what? Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy your entertainment.